Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing the definition and history of atoms, as well as various other concepts related to this fundamental building block of our universe. First, let's talk about the definition of an atom. According to the American Chemical Society, an atom is the smallest unit of matter that can exist independently of other atoms. It has no mass, color, shape, or size, but it is composed of subatomic particles. The history of atoms can be traced back to the 17th century, when Swedish scientist Carl Linnaeus first described the elements in his seminal work, Systema Naturae. However, it wasn't until the 19th century that scientists like John Dalton and Werner Heisenberg began to develop the concept of atoms, based on their ideas about subatomic particles. Now, let's delve into some of the fundamental concepts related to atoms. 1. Basic building block. Atoms are the basic building blocks of matter, and they consist of smaller subatomic particles, called elementary particles. 2. Elementary particles. Atoms contain even smaller particles, called elementary particles. The standard model of particles includes the following elementary particles: protons, neutrons, electrons, and quarks. Protons are positively charged, electrons are negatively charged, and quarks have both positive and negative charges. 3. Protons. Atoms have one or more protons, which are positively charged subatomic particles. 4. Neutrons. Atoms have no protons, meaning they are entirely neutral. 5. Electrons. Atoms have negative charges, and they can be found in an electron cloud surrounding the nucleus. 6. Atomic number. The number of protons in an atom represents its atomic number, which ranges from 1 to 82 for natural elements. 7. Mass number. It represents the mass of an atom in units of atomic mass units mu, which is equal to the mass of an atom of carbon-12, which is designated as the standard atom. 8. Isotopes. An atom with the same atomic number, but different mass number is called an isotope. There are different types of isotopes, each with a unique mass number. 9. Atomic mass unit mu. It is a unit of measure used to express the mass of an atom, and it is defined as the mass of an atom of carbon-12. Now, let's discuss the electron cloud model. Atoms have an outer electron layer, and the electrons in this layer are not directly visible. Instead, they are spread out in an electron cloud. The electron cloud model helps us understand the structure of atoms and their properties. Lastly, we will cover some important quantum numbers that describe the behavior of atoms, such as the orbital electron configuration, electron spin, and quantum energy levels. In conclusion, atoms are the smallest units of matter, and they consist of elementary particles. The history of atoms spans centuries, but modern science has finally unraveled the mysteries of these fundamental particles.